As a student, you know that there are only a limited number of hours in the day. You also know that, sometimes, you have to study for long hours to get all your work done. But how can you make the most of your time when you have to study for long hours? In this video, we'll give you 4 tips on how to study long hours. With these tips, you'll be able to make the most of your time and maximize your productivity. Tip 1. Find a study environment that suits you. The first step in studying long hours efficiently is creating an optimal study environment. To do this, you need to start by finding a place that is comfortable and quiet. A place that is free from distractions, such as roommates, pets, and loud music. Once you've found a suitable location for your studies, you can start to design the space according to your needs. Ensure you have the necessary materials, notebooks, textbooks, pens, etc. Plenty of light, and an adjustable chair. After a few hours of studying in the same spot, your brain might become less effective. Tip 2. Get plenty of rest and exercise. You might think that taking time away from studying would slow you down, but the opposite is true. When you're studying for long hours, it's important to provide your body and brain with the rest they need in order to perform optimally. Make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep and take regular breaks throughout the day. Taking a quick nap or a blissful yoga session can help you refocus and improve your cognitive function. Tip 3. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Creating and adhering to a study schedule is essential for successful long-hour studying. By setting out a timeline for your studies, you can ensure that you keep up with your goals while avoiding burnout. Create a study plan that you can stick to and make sure you don't deviate from it. Start by breaking down your studies into manageable tasks. Divide them into chunks of time and write down when you're going to complete each task. Tip number 4. Take breaks and reward yourself for completing tasks. Studying long hours can be exhausting, so it is important to give yourself breaks. Take 5 minutes away from your studies and do something you enjoy, such as watching a funny YouTube video or reading a book. Small rewards for completing tasks can help keep up your motivation for long hours of studying. You can also set big rewards for milestones, such as treating yourself to a delicious meal or taking a mini vacation after completing a project. Studying for long hours does not have to be difficult and overwhelming. With these 4 tips, you'll be able to make the most out of your time and reach your goals. Find a study environment that suits you, get plenty of rest and exercise, create a study schedule, and take regular breaks and rewards. With these tips and a bit of discipline, you're sure to make the most of your long hours of study. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.